Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Roblox pink spikes. Here's how to fix the pink spikes issue on Roblox. It's super simple. First, open your computer search bar and type in Roblox Player. Once you find it, right-click on it, select Open File Location. Now right-click on Roblox Player once again, then choose Open File Location a second time. This will highlight Roblox Player Beta. Right-click on that file, go to Properties, and then open the Digital Signatures tab. Select the listed signature, click Details, choose View Certificate. From there, click on Install Certificate, select Current User, and hit Next. Choose Automatically Select the Certificate Store, then click Next again. Finish. You should see a message confirming that the import was successful. After clicking OK on all the open windows, restart Roblox, and just like that, those annoying ping spikes should be gone for good. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.